In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give your images a natural looking tan in Adobe Photoshop. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Adobe Photoshop. If you already have it installed, go ahead and launch the application. Once Photoshop is open, the next step is to add your image. You can do this by opening your desired file directly into Photoshop or by dragging and dropping the image file into the workspace. With your image now on the canvas, let's move to the next step. To achieve the tanned look, we need to create a new color fill layer. This can be done by selecting Layer from the top menu bar, then choosing New Fill Layer followed by Solid Color. Enter the color code FF66600. This shade of orange is perfect for simulating a natural tan. Don't worry if it looks a bit intense right now, we'll adjust that in just a moment. After your color fill layer is set up, we need to adjust its settings to blend more naturally with the skin. Change the blend mode to Multiply. This will allow the fill color to blend harmoniously with the textures beneath. Then reduce the opacity of this layer to around 20%. This reduction will provide a more subtle effect, preventing the tan from appearing too overpowering. Invert the layer mask to black. This simple trick effectively hides the color fill layer, giving us control over where the tan appears. Now with your settings adjusted, it's time to apply the tan. Select a brush with a soft edge and adjust the size to suit the areas you want to tan. Switch your foreground color to white so that when you brush over the image, the tan layer is revealed on the skin. Carefully brush over the areas where you'd like to apply the tan, watching as the color subtly begins to appear. To make this tan effect look even more realistic, we can tweak the blending options. Right-click on your tan layer and select Blending Options. Within the Layer Style window, choose Inner Glow. Adjust these settings until you achieve a naturally blended look, ensuring the tan appears seamlessly integrated with the lighter areas of the image. With the tan now applied, the final step is to save your work. Head over to the File menu, click on Save As, and choose your preferred file format and destination. And there you have it. Your image now boasts a beautiful, realistic tan. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it helps bring a sunny glow to your images. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a comment or check out more of our Photoshop tutorials. Happy editing!